What's up guys, thank you so much for watching me on this channel. I am Arun Tiwari. Welcome you all in today's video. आज का वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो है. This is the second video. कंटिन्यूएशन में है जो पिछला वीडियो हमने ब्लैक एरोप्लेन स्टार्ट किया था. आज इस वीडियो के साथ उसको खत्म करेंगे. कहीं मत जाइए, वीडियो में बने रहिए. वीडियो के एंड में आपको इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस समरी मिलेगी. बहुत कुछ मिलने वाला है वीडियो में. So without wasting further more time, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So friends, as I told you in previous video, we have started this chapter Black Aeroplane and we have seen that chapter जहाँ तक मैंने complete किया था, I have clearly explained you that author who is also a pilot, he is in his old aeroplane, पुराने plane से जा रहे अपने जो उनका old aeroplane है Dakota DS-08, who is flying from France to England. France से England जा रहे हैं for his vacations, to enjoy his vacations with his family. When he started his journey, the journey was very good. बहुत अच्छी journey थी. Everything was fine. When he saw the Paris city from above, the means top of the city, जब ऊपर जाके उन्होंने देखा तो city was very calm because it was a night scene. Night का scene था. It was light all around. But as he said that in the beginning the things were very right. बहुत अच्छी जा रही थी. But all of a sudden something happens that taken aback, that put him in a surprise way. Now what to do? He was confused now how what. He was not able to decide, like the clouds, the huge cloud of mountains came in front of him, that he was not able to see anything. Many thoughts came in his mind whether to go back, फिर से वापस चला जाऊं या continue करूं journey को. He saw his fuel tank also. He has no option to move. मतलब दूसरे वे का कोई रास्ता बचा नहीं था. So rather he decided, he contacted the air traffic control system where he was being informed that he has to take 12 degrees south or 12 degree west was there, that turn he has to take. So उन्होंने वो भी turn भी लिया. And then too when he saw that nothing was there, he was not able to see anything in front of him. So he literally given up and he decided to go up. Given up in the sense उन्होंने मतलब ये सोचा कि चलो अब चलते ही हैं, whatever will happen we'll see that. When he was in the cloud, nothing was visible. He saw beside his airplane, उनके airplane के side में एक airplane और आया, and he could clearly see the face of the pilot who was waving his hand, जो कि अपना हाथ हिला रहा था, and he was telling him that I'm here, मैं आ गया. It was like डूबते को तिनके का सहारा, like that, कि मतलब कोई आया. Author was very happy. He was clearly knowing that कि he has come out for my help. And actually the pilot who was sitting in the another plane, he was guiding him कि follow me, I'll be guiding you from this cloud, as his compass and nothing was working. कुछ भी compass और बाकी चीजें भी work नहीं कर रही थी. So he was not getting where to go, किस तरफ जाना है वो भी उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा था. So he has decided to follow that plane. Okay, so this much we have done. Now what happened later? Was he able to reach to his destination? क्या वो अपनी फैमिली के साथ एक्चुअल जो ब्रेकफास्ट करना चाहते थे मॉर्निंग का वो कर पाए? Who was that pilot, or from where that plane came? Later was he able to meet that pilot? Was he able to convey his convey the thanks to him? He was so much thankful to him. So what was the story, or what happened at the end of the story? The end is really very tragic. So I hope you all will like this video also. So as I told you, like other video also, I'm coming on your mobile screen. Line wise line explanation start करते हैं. Hope you like it. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So friends, back to your mobile screen, you will be able to see the paragraph of the book. So I'll be explaining you line wise line. So let's start. We have seen that author when he found himself in a dangerous situation, he was not able to contact the Paris control room. When he saw his fuel tank, means fuel meter dekha, so that was also clearly indicating that he was not having enough fuel to go back also. Then when he decided to go inside the cloud and go away, let's see whatever happened. He found airplane beside him. The pilot of that airplane was waving his hand, and it could be clearly seen, दिख रहा था author को. So what that person actually said, I'm starting from there. Follow me, he was saying. Follow me. He knows that I'm lost because nothing was visible. We have clearly seen in the previous video that author was not able to contact the Paris control room. Neither his compass was working, so he was not having any idea where to go. So I thought he is trying to help me. That person has clearly came to help me. He turned his airplane slowly to the north in front of my Dakota so that it would be easier for me to follow him. It was like the airplane who was beside him now came in front of him, his airplane, and it was just like follow कर रहे थे. He was going ahead, वो आगे चल रहा था, and the author along with his Dakota was following him. उसका पीछा कर रहे थे. In short, उसके पीछे पीछे चल रहे थे. I was very happy to go behind the strange airplane like an obedient child, just the way an obedient child who hold the finger of his mother or father goes wherever the parent took him, जहाँ भी ले takes him, जहाँ पे भी ले जाते हैं वो उनके साथ धीरे धीरे, and whatever they say that child exactly does the same thing. Clearly author was also doing that. The main aeroplane, the guiding aeroplane was ahead of him and he was just clearly following him. वो सिर्फ उसको follow कर रहे थे. After half an hour the strange black aeroplane was still there. अभी भी था वो वहाँ पे, and in front of me in the clouds. Now what happened later on? There was only enough fuel in the old Dakota's last tank to fly for 5 or 10 minutes more. Means we have seen in the previous video clearly that the fuel tank was not having enough fuel either to go, but it was having enough to reach to destination. So author is saying that the fuel tank was clearly indicating that 5 to 10 minutes more it could fly. इससे ज़्यादा वो fly नहीं कर सकता था. I was starting to feel frightened again. Now I am having only 5 to 10 minute flight, and if I would not be able to land in next 5 to 10 minutes, then it would be the end of my life. But then he started to go down and I followed through the storm. Similarly, the next airplane which was ahead of him, it started getting down, and author was also flying, means following that. Suddenly I came out of the cloud and saw two long straight line of the lights in front of me. This is the runway. If you see in night where the using that to strip, the pilot who is ahead जो top of the height पे है, by seeing those two strip light clearly understands that कि this is the line where in between those two line, like two corner of the river की तरह है, दो corner जो strip होती है, he has to understand that I have to land in between these two lines. So actually that is a runway. So author saw the runway. It was the runway, an airport. I was safe. I turned to look for my friend in the black airplane, but the sky was empty. Just clear, the moment he saw the runway, he was clear that now I am going to land in next 2 to 3 minutes. So he just tried to look back to the airplane or to the pilot who had helped him to come out of those clouds. It was okay, we have done that. But the sky was empty. There was nothing. कुछ भी नहीं था. The black airplane was gone. The black airplane that has come out for helping him now was not there. वो नहीं था. I could not see it anywhere. I'm not able to see where had it gone. I landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota near the control tower. What the author decided, just the moment he landed to the runway, immediately he went to the control room to inquire that where has that airplane gone. Who was helping me, कि मुझे मेरी जो मदद किया जिसने, the person who had helped me to land safely, where is that airplane, where is that person, कहाँ है वो, and that he can get the information and data when he go to ask to the control room. So he immediately went there. I went and asked a woman in the control center where I was and who the other pilot was. The other pilot who was in the black airplane, who was he and where is he and how did I reach there? I wanted to say thank you to him. I just want him to be here. I just want to thank and show my gratitude for him. She looked at me strangely, like एकदम surprise हो गई. What is he talking about? ये क्या बात कर रहा है? Like a strange look दिया उसने उस lady ने. And then laughed. थोड़ा strange look दिया and then she laughed. Another airplane? इट्स अ क्वेश्चन मार्क, एक्चुअली शी इज आल्सो कंफ्यूज, दूसरा एरोप्लेन क्या बात कर रहे हो। अब देयर इन दिस स्टॉर्म, और इस स्टॉर्म में डेफिनेटली कोई एरोप्लेन नहीं होगा, नो अदर एरोप्लेन वर फ्लाइंग टुनाइट। ऐसी सिचुएशन थी, द सिचुएशन वाज सो स्टॉर्मी, द नाइट वाज सो स्टॉर्मी दैट नो अदर एरोप्लेन कुड फ्लाई इन दैट, योर्स वाज द ओनली वन आई कुड सी इन द रडार। एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल सिस्टम में दिखता है कि कौन से प्लेन कहां पर जा रहे हैं, तो उस रडार में आपका ही सिर्फ प्लेन दिख रहा था मुझे। सो हु हेल्प मी टू अराइव देयर, नाउ ऑथर आस्क्ड हाउ डिड आई रीच हियर। I could clearly remember, means I could if I recall my memory back, I'm not so much of memory loss person कि मुझे short term memory loss हो। There was a plane था, एक pilot था who was waving his hand, he actually guided me to land. How can you say that? And without compass, how is it possible for me to land if no plane was there, or his compass has already gone, खत्म हो चुका था। So it is not possible at all to find out the runway, and I reached and I landed safely. That is only because of that person. What was the, see, so many problems were there. His compass was not working, fuel tank was having very less fuel, he was very much confused which side to go, storm was there, okay, without fuel and in the tanks. Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without light? Who was that person? I want to know him. मुझे जानना है उसके बारे में कि वो था कौन. Just please help me out. And here the story ends. Now, what the beginning of the first part of this chapter, I told one line that the end of this story is very tragic, where the author is putting a big question mark over the reader. हम सबके दिमाग में एक बहुत बड़ा question mark आया है, because he had not given his conclusion. Who was he? उन्होंने conclusion दिया ही नहीं है. End of the story you can predict. He had given only this much of information that an aeroplane came along with the pilot. Now where that aeroplane came, who was he? Was he a god? क्या भगवान थे? On who came? Because on the radar also he was not able to find out. The lady said there was no one flying in the plane except you're in this stormy night. Who else is going to fly? It was only you on the radar. So how can I say that was there anyone else or not? So nobody was there. Clearly कोई भी नहीं. It's a humble request to each one of you. Just go through these videos. पूरी summary को आप देखिए. Important questions will be given at the end of the video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अपना ध्यान रखिए, आसपास साफ सफाई रखिए, दोस्तों में मित्रता बनाए रखिए, एंड कुछ कर सकते हैं तो एक काम जरूर करिए, दैट घरों में बैठे रहिए। बाय बाय, टेक केयर, लव यू।